Hi, today I want to share with all of you a very important insight which I got today while I was meditating. During my meditation, I got a powerful insight which has the power to transform not only my life but your life also. So I got this insight that we are creators and we are creating every moment of our life, every moment of at least our waking life. And whether we realize or not, but we are creating. And how are we creating? We are creating by virtue of our thoughts and feelings. Our thoughts give rise to feelings, and this feeling give rise to some action or inaction, which in turn give rise to the outer reality. Now we can create a happy thought resulting into happy feeling, resulting into desirable action and desirable outcome. At the same time, we can operate from unhappy feelings, unhappy thought, which give rise to unhappy feeling, to an unhappy action and an unhappy outcome. Now this can be seen whether it comes to the health. When we are happy, we are more healthy. And even if some operation or some medicine or some treatment has to be done, a happy person, positive thinking person will get much better result and much better health than a person who is unhappy, who is stressed, or who has disempowering, low vibrational thoughts. So the important thing is, are we creating from joy and love, or are we creating from selfishness and unhappiness? If we are creating from joy and love, then our actions will be positive and the results will be desirable. But if we are acting from selfishness and unhappiness, then our actions will be undesirable and the result also will be undesirable. So the question for you is not about whether you are creator or not. You are creator and you are creating all the time. Now from where you are creating? From joy and love, or selfishness and unhappiness? So I invite you to create out of joy and happiness and love. So start your day and maintain this one thing of joy and love. Take your action from joy and love. Have thoughts which creates joy and love, and you will have an amazing life. And this is what I wanted to share. Thank you very much. Now if you feel that this insight can be helpful to others, then I invite you to share it with them and also share what you got from this video.